Oh, I swear, I'm gonna go crazy if he doesn't stop whooping at me. He's gonna be in his room today because I'm not in the mood. Like, let's just say that. Anyways, so, my head hurts. I'm stressed out constantly. Like, there's always someone stressing me out about something. So, anyways, let me smell this. It kind of smells like a flea collar. I don't know if we're gonna eat that or not. Ugh. Just put in a cup of cold water. Right. It doesn't really smell. It's like I can smell the cherry, but it's got like a, I don't know, nasty smell. It's probably gonna taste like that. Oh, the damn dollar store. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. But yeah, I'm just having one of those days. So I'm happy that my mom went and was bringing Jay to dialysis for me today. I'll just have to go down and pick him up. I'll probably have to leave here around 3 o'clock to go get him for 4. So, alright, let's try this No Name Vanilla, instant vanilla, see if this is any better. I've had this before, I know this is good. 2 cups of cold milk and add the pudding mix and beat with a whisk or an electric mixer for about 2 minutes. I don't know, I could get out my electric mixer. I don't know if I want to dirty all those dishes. Yeah, that smells good. So that's basically what's been going on here. A whole lot of nothing. Not a whole lot of nothing, but a whole lot of stress. Let's put it that way. Oh, I hate to vent and go on because I want my channel to be a happy place, but sometimes I don't know. I just gotta let it out. I'm just gonna give this a good mix, and I will be back. Alright, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. Let me turn the light on here. Alright. Some of this stuff, I should have got this fixed up before I turned you guys on. But I'm just lounging around in my house coat. If you see a big old red arm, that's because it's my house coat. So, I decided I'd bring you guys along. I'm going to make some vanilla pudding, vanilla instant pudding, and some of this, they're 3 for $1. I'm going to try them from the dollar store. Cherry flavored jello, so we'll see. So yeah, Jay's gone to dialysis. It's a little bit earlier than we normally leave, but my mom, she's got some errands to run, and she's gonna run him down for me. So that is nice of her. I'm just gonna put the kettle on to boil because I need some hot water. And so yeah, anyways, she's gone to see my uncle. If you guys seen in my great uncle, my previous videos, I think it was around the 22nd or 23rd. We had to call an ambulance for him. Well, he is now in palliative care. He's not doing good at all, and he's just going downhill. So I don't know. They don't give him very long, I don't think. So it just sucks. It really sucks because he's like a grandfather to me. So anyways, so yeah, and it just, for the family's been hit hard, I find. On the 1st of January, it marked 1 year since my grandmother passed. So she passed away last New Year's Day. Her sister also passed away in the month of January, and then my great aunt passed away on the 9th of last year. So it'll be a year. And then now my great uncle. So just 1 second. Cat went upstairs and she was driving me nuts. So anyways, so that's the sad news, I guess, of this year. So the year's not starting off all the greatest. But yeah, so my mom's gone down because they just moved him to palliative care yesterday, and today they are like taking the, I don't know, I guess they take everything like, I don't know, the IVs, and he's got a feeding tube and that type of thing. They take all that stuff out, I guess. So, anyways, enough about the sadness. So that's what's been going on here. I haven't been vlogging every single day or picking up, and then I have my own issues with my head being all wonky. I had one of my little episodes. I don't know what even, I just call them one of my episodes because I don't even know what it is exactly that's happening to me, but it's not fun. It's really not fun. Those of you who I have on my Facebook, you guys see what goes on. My head is just really spacey all the time. I've been starting to eat, so I haven't had an episode since. But I don't know if it has to do with eating. When I look it up online, it tells me anxiety. Like the people, that's what they have. So I don't know. I used to get anxiety, and I thought it was the knots that I would get in my stomach, and I just gotta add a cup of hot water, boiling water. I thought the knots in my stomach was anxiety. I never had one of these attacks or whatever, what have you. I just feel super like weak the other day. My head was spinning, and then just when it happens, like it happened the last time, and I felt off for like a good week, and it just sucks. And then that's always what's on my mind is it gonna happen? Alright, so my kettle's about to pop. I am making I am making myself a cup of tea. I'm gonna lay off some of the coffee. I'm gonna still have my cup of coffee in the morning, but I'm not gonna drink as much as I have been. So, got some tea. Where's the tea? Tea, and tea. I gotta clean my cupboards. They're a mess too. So, in here, I'm gonna put that on high. I have some chicken. The other day, I made Chinese food for I think it was on New Year's Eve. No, New Year's Day. No. Oh, I don't even know. Anyways, it was one of those days between Christmas and New Year's. And I made some Chinese food, and oh, I just knocked you guys down. Sorry about that. I'm gonna use my mug that my niece got me. It says aunt. It says, being a part of a family is a gift and a blessing. Thank you for being my aunt. It's so cute. So I'm gonna put my cup of tea in that. So anyways, oh, I didn't even know what I was saying. Oh yeah, I made Chinese food, and there was too much chicken, so I put that away for a rainy day, and taking it out today because I'm gonna make a nice chicken stew for the boys. If I'm gonna make it early enough, I might have some for lunch. Stew is something I have a very hard time to digest, so if it's for lunch or for nothing, so I'm gonna. But what I was planning on doing was making myself a nice chicken noodle soup. So that's just with some carrots and maybe a little bit of celery. I don't even know about the celery, but sorry, it's not much of a video. I'm just kind of blabbing on. I don't even want to show you guys my face. My hair is just like, ugh, it's a mess. My face is a mess. I got this. I was supposed to show you guys what I got for Christmas, and I didn't even do that. I've just been so blah. I did get this Charmed Aroma candle from my sister. It's a candy cane smell. It doesn't smell like candy cane. It smells really good. Not that candy canes smell bad, but... And then this, oh, of course, it's not gonna... Let me push it down. And this is the ring. This might not focus. It says that it's $150 value. It's like there's two of them. It's a set, but you can wear them separate or together. But that's what it looks like. Very shiny and pretty, and I'm not a jewelry person. I don't really wear any jewelry, actually. I used to have my tongue pierced. I used to have my nose pierced. I had like 4 piercings at least in each ear. I used to wear rings and all kinds of crap, but ever since I haven't been wearing it since I had my son like 7 years ago, so I'm just not a jewelry person. So yeah, I'm gonna go put some spices in here: salt, pepper, parsley, onion powder, celery powder, garlic powder, you know, that type of thing, whatever's on hand. I'm just making a small stew, nothing big. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back whenever I'm adding more stuff to it. So you guys you can see the yellow in it already. It's awesome. It smells delicious. So I got my cup of tea already. Sometimes I drink it black, sometimes I drink it with milk. I wanted to drink it now, so I just added a little bit of milk into it. And over here, I'm gonna just cut up some potatoes and my carrots and my onions, and I think that's all I'm putting in the stew anyways. So I'll just kind of maybe get those boiling in a little bit of water, and then I will add this to this here later on. I'll strain that and get all the gooky stuff out, but the broth will go into here. And then I am going to cheat for my chicken noodle soup, and I'm going to use the jar or containered stuff. Now my mom made she made soup the other day, and it looked exactly like this. Exactly. And she added a little bit of like the table cream or whatever kind of cream it is, and it thickened it up a little bit, and it looked delicious. So I might go and borrow a little bit of cream off of her after. So right now it's 11:11. Hopefully this will be ready, and I'll be able to give Riley some for lunch, because he is kind of like me. When he has stew, I find he's up through the night sick and stuff. So just like the potatoes don't digest or something, I don't know. But I'll make that up, and he can have that for lunch, and then I'll just make something small for us for supper. And then other than that, I think we're gonna go outside after. It's pretty cold. It's -25 here. But we are Canadian, and we can suck it up and go. I guess we're used to it. Oh, that tea's so good. So we're gonna get dressed. I gotta go just shovel the driveway a little bit, and excuse me. Just just do up my yard and that kind of thing. Just to get out and blow the stink off ourselves. So I'll be back whenever I'm all done. There's no sense popping in every 2 seconds. Just like I said, I'm gonna cut my potatoes, my carrots, my onions, and get that going. And then I can add my chicken. The chicken's already cubed, so once it starts to break up, and then I'll just cut it. I could cut it even smaller than that. It doesn't really matter. I'm not making a huge stew. I'll probably make I don't know, maybe this will be like 3/4 full, and then there'll be some for lunch tomorrow. We're supposed to be getting this big storm, so don't imagine we'll be going anywhere tomorrow either. And the kids only start school next week, so that is that. I'll be back. So there is the pudding, and he wanted some little chocolate chips, little chocolate chip cookies, these mini Chips Ahoy, and one of those. So that is his dessert. So I just pulled out I made some Devil's Food chocolate cupcakes. There's still some batter here. I'm gonna take once these cool down, I'll just put some more. I'm using my Halloween cupcake things, and just hang on, Riley. I don't know where your sweater is. These are good. I'm gonna let them cool down, and then I'll take them out, and I'll icing them up later on. I'm gonna make like a cream cheese icing. So that is my plan, anyways. I don't know if I'll icing them all up. Maybe I don't. See, when it comes to cookies, at least the cookies I can roll the dough and put them in the freezer if I don't want to make up a whole thing of them. Myself, I would have preferred to make, like 6 muffins, and then I know that they're going to get eaten, and then I can whip up, more if those ones get eaten up. But this way here, I kind of have no choice but to make all the muffins. So, but they look good. Yep. Alright. Now I'm going to get dressed and we're going to go outside soon.
I would more take the pink.
What's a big kitty? What's a big kitty? These are the Sebens. These are the Sebens. Okay, leave her so she doesn't bite you. Look at that big belly. Oh, it didn't need a pet. Look at that big belly. I'm at my mom's place. I was babysitting there, but I just haven't gone home. It's going on 4. Kitty cat is sleeping. Yeah, the kitty cat is still sleeping. My brother-in-law's trying to get the skidoo going out there. And the kids are sliding.